Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. If your Facebook ads are getting clicks but not conversions, or they perform for a few days and then completely drop off, the problem isn't that you're missing a secret trick. The real issue is that you're not using a system built for how ads work in 2026. In this guide, you'll learn a proven framework for running profitable Facebook ads, whether your daily budget is $10 or $1,000. This isn't about hacks or shortcuts, it's about understanding what the platform actually rewards today. And everything comes down to four core pillars: your offer, your research, your targeting, and your data. Let's break it down properly. Now, start with the offer before you spend a dollar. Most businesses lose money on ads because they promote a mediocre offer and expect creative to fix it. That never works. A strong offer does the heavy lifting. It lowers cost, improves click through rates, increases conversions, and helps the algorithm learn faster. That's because Meta is trying to match the right message to the right person. If your offer is unclear or weak, there's nothing solid for the system to optimize around. A high performing offer in 2026 follows three rules. It solves one urgent problem, it focuses on outcomes, not features, it gives a clear reason to choose you over competitors. For example, instead of saying we offer bookkeeping services, say get your books cleaned up in 7 days so tax season stops stressing you out. For e commerce, instead of organic skincare, try clear your breakouts in 14 days without harsh ingredients or we'll fix it. Now, before launching ads, ask yourself this: would a complete stranger instantly understand who this is for, what it does, and why it's better? If the answer is no, pause everything and fix the offer first. Next is use competitor ads as a shortcut legally. Once the offer is solid, the fastest way to gain momentum is by studying what's already working. So go to the free meta ad library and look up 3 to 5 competitors in your niche. Focus on ads that have been running for a long time. Businesses don't keep spending money on ads that lose money. So you're not copying, you're reverse engineering. So pay attention to the opening hook, the pain point being called out, the promise being made, the proof being shown, and the call to action. So write these elements down, then remix the strongest parts into your own ads. Your competitors already paid to test what works. You're simply using that data to skip the expensive trial and error phase. Next is simplified targeting. So this is where most people mess up. Most advertisers still run ads like it's 2018, stacking interests, layering behaviors, and over-engineering audiences. That actually hurts performance now. So in 2026, Facebook understands your ad copy, creative, landing page, and user behavior at a very deep level. When you restrict targeting too much, you block the system from finding buyers. So for most businesses, you only need two audiences. Audience one is called traffic. So this is for people who've never heard of you. You have two solid options: broad targeting with only basic filters like location, age, or gender if truly necessary. Second is lookalike audiences based on at least 1,000 actual customers, not just email subscribers. So if your offer is clear, broad targeting often works shockingly well. And if you have enough customer data, test lookalikes. Audience 2 is warm traffic or retargeting. So this includes website visitors, video viewers, social engagers, add to carts, initiated checkouts, and your email list. And so these people already know you. They don't need awareness, they need clarity, proof, and a reason to act now. So if you get just these two audiences right, you're already ahead of most advertisers. Next is build creatives that don't burn out. So ad fatigue is real. When people see the same creative too often, performance drops and costs increase, and Facebook tracks that. The solution isn't making one perfect ad, it's building a repeatable system. So use this structure: hook, value, and call to action. So the hook stops the scroll by calling out a goal or pain point. The value gives real, useful insight or transformation, not fluff. The CTA points clearly to one main offer. So instead of relying on one ad, create variations like 3 to 5 different hooks, 2 to 3 value sections, and one consistent CTA. Now rotate or remix weekly. So you don't need polished production. Native style content often performs better, like selfie videos, UGC testimonials, quick demos, behind the scenes clips, or simple graphics with emotional clarity. Now use what you learned from competitor research and adapt it to your audience's specific fears, desires, and goals. Next is tracking and data. Why ads randomly stop working? If tracking isn't set up properly, you're training Facebook with bad information. So you need both the metapixel for browser tracking, the conversions API for server-side tracking. Because of privacy changes, the pixel alone misses data. The conversions API fills in the gaps so Facebook understands what's actually converting. Beyond setup, there's something most businesses never hear about, which is pixel conditioning. So Facebook's algorithm learns from real conversion events, purchases, book calls, qualified leads. If you optimize for the wrong action or your tracking misses conversions, you feed the system poor signals. That's how you get high CTRs with no revenue. So if you want book calls, optimize for book calls, not traffic. Create custom conversion events tied to thank you pages so Facebook knows exactly what success looks like. Clean data equals better optimization. So if you remember nothing else, remember the sequence. Offer first, make it resistible. Research second, remix winning competitor ads. Two audiences only, cold, broad, or lookalike, and warm retargeting. Creative system like Coke value CTA with variations, and tracking and conditioning like Pixel Conversions API. Correct conversion events. So follow this framework and you stop guessing, stop wasting money, and start scaling ads that actually work. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.
Introducing ComplyFi. Get total consent compliance within 60 seconds and grow your business without worries. Unlock the full global potential of your business and get better results on all ad platforms instantly. ComplyFi is the ultimate consent management platform. ComplyFi meets the requirements of all major consent and privacy laws globally. Supercharge your marketing reach with ComplyFi's powerful features. Get compliant, stay safe. Get better results from ads and analytics. Required for retargeting, DPO compliance, cookie compliance, GDPR compliance. Here's the good news. Complying with all of the privacy regulations is as easy as clicking a button to scout your site and putting the ComplyFi code on it. Less than 60 seconds and you're compliant. Automated cookie scanning and categorization. Cookie pop-up with easy consent management. ComplyFi offers unique identifier for user consent. ComplyFi keeps a record of users' consent selection with a unique identifier as required. Allows consent modifications. Visitors can view their consent setting and change at any time they want. Save 90% versus other consent management platforms. Fast and high-speed performance. ComplyFi does not slow your website. Google Consent Mode V2 and Microsoft Consent Mode support. Multilingual with automatic language detection. Consent pop-up with dozens of ready-made templates. Fully customizable consent pop-up designs. Data Protection Officer or DPO compliance ready. Target regions and countries with customized consent experiences. Detailed reporting and analytics. ComplyFi is powerful and easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Get ComplyFi now. Just go to getcomplyfi.in.